It's Christina Hitchcock with Old National Investments. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch my video. I appreciate it. You may be wondering if it's time to draw up a will. Even if you don't have a large net worth, you may want your assets distributed according to your wishes if anything should happen to you. And if you are married or have children, it's important to make your wishes now while you can. Here are a few things to consider. Who or what organization will inherit your assets when you die? Who would be the guardians of your children? Who would manage the property that would go to your minor children? Who is the executor or person in charge of acting out your wishes? If your assets are relatively simple, you may want to create your own will using a software program. If you have custody issues with children or more complex estate needs, consider using an attorney who may be able to ensure that you don't have unexpected problems. If you already have a will, consider reviewing it every 5 years or when a major life change occurs. So when do you need a will? The answer is easy, right now. I hope you have found this information useful. As always, feel free to contact me if you have any questions. I would love to talk with you about your financial goals. Thanks for listening and have a great day.